case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States v. Marzzarella, heard in 2010 by the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit, was a landmark case revolving around the issue of firearm possession and the interpretation of the Second Amendment. This case brought critical attention to the range of the Second Amendment's protection, exposing its limitations and provoking questions about government interference in firearm possession. The proceedings arose from an incident where the Pennsylvania State Police were informed of Marzarella's engagement in selling stolen handguns. In the undercover operation that ensued, an officer purchased a handgun with a partially obliterated serial number from Marzzarella, leading to Marzarella's indictment. He was convicted of possessing a firearm with an obliterated serial number, which, according to Section 922(k), is a violation of the law. At the heart of the case was Marzarella's defense that the conviction violated his Second Amendment rights. He contended that Section 922(k) was a constitutional infringement on his right to possess unmarked firearms. The court, however, needed to ascertain if the Second Amendment protected Marzarella's possession of an unmarked firearm in his home and whether the law imposed an undue burden on this right. In its ruling, the court rejected Marzarella's argument, maintaining the constitutionality of Section 922(k) and affirming his conviction. The court set boundaries on the amendment's protective scope, positing that it doesn't encompass all forms of firearm possession. The court further upheld the government's role in imposing limits to serve compelling interests, such as crime prevention. The court dismissed Marzarella's objections against the broad regulations criminalizing the possession of altered, untraceable firearms. It stated that Section 922(k), which discourages the possession and use of such guns, upheld constitutionality by meeting the requirements of intermediate scrutiny. Hence, the court declared that the law's main aim, preserving serial number tracing for crime prevention, was paramount, cementing the constitutionality of Section 922(k) and setting a pivotal precedent for future cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.